Hey, I'm Tim. Look, dropping $300 on a car seat that doesn't fit right or makes every drive stressful? Not happening on my watch. I tested all 5 of these head-to-head using one simple standard: safety, real-world ease of use, and whether they actually hold up in daily life. I installed each one, drove them hard, and checked comfort over long trips. One of these completely changed how I think about what a top-tier car seat actually delivers. Stick with me. We're counting down to the winner. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button and let's go. This one feels light the second you pull it out of the box. That's because it is. The Cosco Finale DX is a forward-facing harness booster that transitions to belt positioning, starting at 30 pounds. It's slim, fits 3 across the back seat easy, and the cup holders actually come out and wash. Here's what I tested. First, I installed it in my sedan using just the vehicle belt. Super straightforward, took maybe 2 minutes. Then I took a 90-minute highway drive with my toddler in it. The seat reclined just enough that she got comfortable. But here's the real issue. The padding is thin. Not unsafe, but thin. After an hour and a half, she was shifting around more than in the others. Then I tested the booster conversion by removing the harness for a larger kid. Clicks in clean, no fumbling. The big strength is the price and portability, genuinely light enough to move between cars without throwing out your back. The real flaw is the long-term comfort, and that memory foam just doesn't compare to premium seats when you're doing frequent long drives. This seat works best for families who need a second car seat or occasional use. Skip it if you're doing cross-country trips every month. It's like buying the cheapest rental car option. It gets you there, but you'll notice every pothole. What's coming next is where this ranking really turns. Priced at $87.99. This one lands in that sweet middle ground zone. Not budget, not premium, just reliable. Safety first, grow and go is a true 3-in-1 that goes rear-facing from 5 to 40 pounds, then forward-facing from 30 to 65, then booster mode up to 100. The whole package feels sturdy without the weight penalty. I appreciated the quick adjust harness system right out of the box. No threading straps through slots, just snap and adjust. Real world test number 1. I installed it rear facing in my truck using the vehicle belt and a latch. Took about 4 minutes because I had to read the manual once. Then I loaded my kiddo in for 2 weeks of daily driving and back and forth preschool runs. She stayed secure, the seat never loosened, and the washable seat pad was genuinely convenient when it got messy. Then I tested the transition to forward-facing at the appropriate weight. Harness adjust with one pull, no tools needed. The strength here is durability and value. This seat won't quit on you after a year. The flaw? The fabric isn't as premium as higher-end models, and after 6 months of sun exposure through the window, I noticed slight color fading. It's designed to work, not to impress. Best for families who want a solid all-arounder without breaking the bank. Skip it if you're prioritizing luxury materials or the smoothest installation experience. It's like a dependable sedan, not turning heads, but it does its job every single day without drama, and it only gets better from here. Priced at $159.99. Okay, now we're stepping into territory where the details actually start to matter. Chicco MyFit is a forward-facing seat with advanced side impact protection and that flame retardant-free Cleartex fabric, Green Guard Gold certified, which means low chemical off-gassing. This is the first seat in this lineup where I felt the premium design choices the moment I unboxed it. The latch connectors are thick and solid. The LockSure belt tightening system means you install it once and it stays locked. Here's what I put it through. Installation in my wife's Honda felt different. Premium materials, tight connections, no wobble. Then real-world testing. I took this seat on a 4-hour drive to see how it performed under pressure. My daughter stayed comfortable. The side impact guards were visible and reassuring. And the 9-position headrest adjusted effortlessly as she grew. I also tested the transition to booster mode, and it's where this seat shines. The high back booster support is substantial, and the narrow profile means it doesn't steal legroom. The major strength is the side impact engineering and material quality. You can feel the difference. The genuine flaw is that it's forward-facing only, which means if you're a parent who wants extended rear-facing for younger toddlers, this isn't your option. Also at this price point, I expected a recline feature, but it's upright only, solid but not flexible. Best for families with older toddlers who want premium safety features and don't need rear-facing anymore. Skip it if you have a newborn or want maximum seat adjustability. It's like flying business class. Noticeably better comfort and features than economy, but you're paying for convenience more than pure necessity. Here's where I should mention. Channel members get early access to next week's car seat accessories roundup and vote on the category we rank next. So if you want first dibs, the join button is right there. But stick around, because the top 2 picks are going to surprise you. Priced at $249.99. This is the one that surprised me the most. Diono Radian 3R is mechanically engineered from reinforced automotive-grade high-strength steel, not plastic. Actual steel. It goes from birth all the way to 120 pounds in booster mode. That's 10 years in one seat. When I first held it, I felt that weight immediately. This isn't light, but that weight is the engineering. The slim fit design means it genuinely fits 3 across without compromising safety, and the Comfort Plus memory foam is included standard. Installation was where I really noticed the difference. Latch connectors are industrial grade, the belt path is clearly marked, and once locked in, this seat does not move. I'm talking zero wiggle. Then I took a 2-day road trip with this one rear facing, which the Radian supports all the way to 50 pounds. That's rare. Most seats top out at 40. My toddler was asleep within 15 minutes and stayed comfortable for 6 hours straight. The memory foam really does something here. Then I tested the booster conversion at the upper weight range with my nephew, and the seat performed identically. Locked tight, comfortable, no issues. The incredible strength is longevity, and that you can genuinely keep this seat for one child all 10 years, or pass it down and it'll handle the next kid perfectly. The flaw is weight and the lack of fancy features. No rotation, no cup holders, no padding adjustment. If you're moving this between cars regularly, that weight will frustrate you. Also, the upholstery is straightforward, not luxurious. Best for families who want to buy once and never think about it again, or who plan to use one seat for multiple kids. Skip it if you're constantly swapping between vehicles or want the latest tech features. It's like buying a well-made Swiss watch. You pay up front, then you just own it forever without second guessing. But the number one pick takes everything to the next level. Priced at $203.33. This is it. Maxi-Cosi Andi 360 rotates 360 degrees. That one feature changes everything about how you actually use a car seat every single day. When I first unboxed this, the rotation mechanism felt smooth and engineered. This isn't a gimmick, it's a solved problem. The seat supports 5 to 40 pounds rear facing, transitions to forward facing at 30 to 65, and includes booster mode up to 100 pounds. It's made with pure cozy premium fabrics that have 0 added fire retardants, and the EcoCare upholstery is 100% recycled plastic bottles. From a practical standpoint, here's what matters: installation. The tension fix system solves the biggest car seat problem. 7 out of 10 parents install with loose tension. This seat shows you exactly when it's tight enough, and it stays locked. I installed it once, and it never loosened over 3 months of daily use. Real world test 1. I strapped my daughter in rear facing, and when she got fussy during a long drive, I rotated the entire seat toward me to check her, comfort her, and adjust straps without unclipping or contorting myself. This saved my sanity on a 7-hour road trip. Test 2. I rotated it to forward facing at the appropriate weight, and the transition was seamless. The rotating mechanism locks solid in every position. There's no wobble or play. Test 3. I tested the booster conversion with my older nephew, and the seat held strong with the same attention to detail. The premium strength here is that the rotation genuinely makes daily life easier, and the tension fix installation security is industry leading. You know it's right because the seat tells you. The honest flaw is the price sits at the premium end, and if you only do short car trips and don't value the rotation convenience, you're paying for a feature you won't use. Also, the weight is moderate. Not as light as budget models, not as heavy as the Diono, but it's in your arms frequently during installation and transfer. Best for parents who do frequent car transitions or longer drives and want peace of mind that the seat is installed correctly every single time. Skip it only if budget is the deciding factor and you're comfortable with standard installation without the tension fix guidance. It's like having a spotter at the gym. You could do it alone, but having someone confirm you're doing it right makes all the difference. And that's the car seat I'd tell a friend to get today, priced at $374.99. That's the car seat I'd tell a friend to get today. All 5 product links are in the description below. Click through to check current prices and availability. Like this video, subscribe to Tim's Top 5, and I'll see you next time.